Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Bugs from B&B Auto Detailing. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have a box from Gyeon, USA. I entered one of their giveaways. I know, nobody ever wins those things, but hey, I got lucky, finally won one. Just like you guys, entered 1,000 of those type of contests from anywhere from Chemical Guys, Adams, Griot's Garage, you know, you name it. They pretty much all do some type of giveaway. I thought I'd never win. I entered this one. Usually you enter by commenting, liking, and you know, subscribing to their page or what have you. Well, I entered this one, and to my surprise, like I said, I won. So finally this box came just a few days ago. Finally had a chance to make a video about it. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. Now Gyeon did post during the giveaway what the contents of this box were. You know, I've since forgot. I know it's a wash kit, but exactly to the T what's in there, I'm not exactly sure. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what it's all about. Well, here we go, you guys. Here's the box that I won from Gyeon. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. First up, we have the Gyeon Smoothie. That's their wash mitt. It's a fully synthetic and heavily resistant wash mitt, being equally safe and as a natural wool mitt. So you know it's good stuff. You know Gyeon always brings it. They always pump out good products. And second up, we have the Gyeon Purple Silk Dryer Drying Towel. Looking forward to using this. Pretty excited. You know what? I have a handful of drying towels, and maybe you guys can help me out. Maybe, you know, leave a comment down in the comments and let me know. My issue with them is they work beautifully for the first 4 or 5 times. Like I said, I have a handful of them, different brands from different companies, and they all seem to do the same. Like I said, they first use, second use is like, wow, oh my God, you can't believe how much water they absorb. You know, you don't have to even wring them out. You can do an entire truck, SUV, whatever. Then all of a sudden, by the 4th, 5th use, they're just not as absorbent. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But if you guys have a clue, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know. Let's see. Next up, we have the Gyeon Tire. This is their SiO2 infused tire dressing, tire protectant is what they call it. Again, man, look, I love their packaging, their bottles, the labeling, just elegant, you know, really high-end, good quality stuff. Next up, we have their wheel cleaner, iron remover. Again, bottles, excellent, very, very beautiful stuff, nice labeling. Never tried this, so can't wait to give this one a try. And next, their Gyeon Gloss and Repel. This is their ceramic detailer. It's another SiO2 infused product. This stuff is, I've heard a lot of good comments about this stuff. Nothing but good news. So next up is the Gyeon Easy Rinsing pH Neutral Shampoo for Coatings. So this would be for coated cars, ceramic coated cars, or graphene coated. I'm sure would work the same. I've also heard that this stuff is excellent too. Again, beautiful packaging, labeling, the bottles. I just love the shape of them. With the diamond cuts, it's just, you just want to display them on your wall and leave them there to look good. Let's see what else we have. I won't bore you guys with the pump nozzles and the sprayers and all that. So I think this is the last item. This looks like a nice little carrying bag, maybe a trunk organizer. Carrying products, got a nice little strap on it. A little Gyeon insignia, their logo. Oh, even on the little zipper pulls. That's cool. Put that to some use. some organization for the trunk. Again, you guys, like I said, this was a giveaway that Gyeon was doing through their Instagram page. Usually you like their page and leave a comment. Sometimes they'll have you like tag a few friends, 2 to 3 people, just to get the word out that they're doing the giveaway to attract people to their page. Like I said, like you guys, I've done thousands of them probably, and I've never won them. In fact, I don't know anybody personally that's ever won one, but I'm living proof you can win. So you gotta be in it to win it, I guess, you guys. So again, I'm Bug, B&B Auto Detailing. I thank you guys for being with us. Thank you for joining me while I did this unboxing of the Gyeon products. I hope you guys would subscribe and like this video if you guys got any enjoyment out of it or anything, and stay tuned. We have more stuff coming up. I know I promised you guys during the middle of this week I should have the Impala out. We're going to do a paint enhancement and a ceramic coating, and we'll do all that on camera too for you guys' viewing pleasure. Again, thank you for being with us tonight. We lost the audio right here, but thanks for being here. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Good night.